Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today we have the 2020 BMW X3. It's all courtesy of INFINITI of Nashua in Nashua, New Hampshire. This is the X3 xDrive30i. So, turbocharged, 4-cylinder, but still a good amount of power, still a good amount of torque. Let's see, do these have the valves? I'm in sport mode, so they might both be open. It does have the valve, and the valve is open. So that one's flowing. That one's flowing. Is this to drop? Oh yeah, that's a pretty ingenious way of doing it. Panel roof. In sport mode, heated steering wheel, heated seats. Oh yeah, always said BMW makes the best driving base models out of the big German 3, obviously C43, RS6, those are in a class of their own. But in terms of A4, C class, or in this case, Q5, somebody say it's GLE, maybe? It's about this size. These are the best to drive out of them in terms of sport. I like each of them best for their own individual things. This one, in terms of driving fun. Well, go ahead, put the transmission into sport. So in terms of highway comfort, it's very comfortable. I've driven this car home. I just didn't film it. I think I was sick the week that I drove it. Yeah, it's good. It's very, very good. I could drive this thing long journeys. It'd be perfectly fine. Holy cow, I'm tired. Sport Plus. Yeah, no, this is a fun car. I mean, even just being an X3 30i, it's a fun to drive car. I can't fault it with that. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you all in the next video.